Hello there. I see you're interested in learning front-end web design and development. I must say that is a very wise decision. In today's digital age, front-end web developers are in high demand, and this is because businesses and brands are in need of well-designed websites to help them attract their customers. Now here is the great news. You've come to the right place. Welcome to Bizmaro Technologies, the best ICT and computer training institute in Abuja, Nigeria. Here at Bizmaro Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training in front-end web design and development to help you become a professional developer ready to work anywhere in the world. Now, front-end web design and development is all about building and designing the virtual part of a website, the buttons, the colors, the layout, and animations. It's all about the overall user experience. As a front-end web developer, you bring designs to life and ensure that users have seamless and interactive experience. Now let's look at some of the things that you're going to learn in this training. At Bizmaro Technologies, our front-end web development course covers everything you need to know to master in-demand tech skills in the industry. We have HTML and CSS, the foundation of every website. You can use these tools to structure and add styles to your web pages. Then there's JavaScript and jQuery, which is used to add interactivity and dynamic features to the web pages. We also have the responsive design to ensure that your website works perfectly on any device, be it mobile or even desktop. Then there is Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS, fast and efficient styling frameworks. We also have version control, that is Git and GitHub, to help you collaborate and manage your code efficiently like a pro. At the end of this training, you would have mastered the needed skills you need to stand out in the job market and a powerful portfolio to help you stay job ready. Now let's look at some of the career opportunities for you as a front-end web developer. Front-end web development as a skill is in high demand globally, and there is a place for you in tech, e-commerce, finance, and other sectors. Now here are some of the career opportunities. You can be a front-end developer, a UI developer, a WordPress designer, or even a freelance web developer. With a skill in front-end web development, you can work as a freelancer, remotely, or even full-time with various companies around the world. Now here are reasons why you should choose Bizmaro Technologies. Here at Bizmaro Technologies, a dedicated trainer is assigned to you to ensure that you get the maximum attention you need. We also run small class sizes, not a crowded classroom training, to ensure that you are not lost in the crowd. We also work with real-world projects to ensure that you have a strong portfolio to present to your clients. We also make you job ready. Our training aligns with the current industry demands. Our courses are also available for both physical and online training, so distance is never a barrier. So what are you waiting for? Delay is dangerous. This is the best time for you to acquire a skill in front-end web design and development. This is your opportunity to join the tech industry, work remotely, and also earn globally. My name is Gift, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay digitally informed.